Signing up for DigiFantasy is quick, simple, and only takes couple of minutes. Here's how to do it. Head over to digifantasy.com. On the front page, click Start Subscription. Now fill in your details, your name, email, state, and contact details. Hit Submit, and your account is live. Now, DigiFantasy gives you two options. The Fantasy Bundle, $59 per month, for players who enjoy digging into the stats and building their own sleeps. Or the AI Sleep Generator, $299 per month, which instantly builds optimized sleeps for Prize Picks, Underdog, and better. After picking your plan and entering payment, you'll see your dashboard instantly. From there, you can start exploring tools or letting AI do the work for you. Getting started really is that easy. Click the link in my description, sign up for DigiFantasy today, and start building smarter entries right away.